Keep on. It means to continue doing something. Example: keep on working hard, and you'll achieve your goals. Talk about. It means to discuss something. Example: let's talk about our plans for the weekend. Head back. Means to return to a place. Example: it's getting late. I think I'll head back home now. Pair up. Means to join with another person for a specific activity. Example: everyone, please pair up for the group project. Nod off. Means to fall asleep, especially accidentally. Example: I nearly nodded off during that boring lecture. Send off. Means to say goodbye to someone who is leaving, often with a ceremony or celebration. Example: we gave her a big send-off before she moved to another city. Think over. Means to consider something carefully before making a decision. Example: I need to think over your offer before I can decide. Pay back. Means to return money that you owe. Example: don't worry, I'll pay you back by next week. Put away. Means to store something in its proper place. Example: please put away your toys after playing. Hold on. Has two meanings: to wait for a short time or to grip something tightly. Example: hold on tight. The ride is about to start. Wear out. Means to become unusable due to overuse. Example: my running shoes have worn out. I need to buy a new pair. Fix up. Means to repair or improve the condition of something. Example: we need to fix up the old house before we can move in. Put together. Means to assemble or create something by combining parts. Example: it took hours, but I finally put together the new bookshelf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.